Chris Zorn here, MarineMax Baltimore. We're aboard the brand new 2020 Scout 215 Dorado. We're going to start here at the transom. As you can see, you have a sea deck on either swim platform, as well as a fold-down ladder to easily get on and off the boat. Boat's powered by a 150 Yamaha. Moving forward, you'll notice you have your fishing rod holders, as well as a insulated bait well. You have a ski pole for all your tubing and wakeboarding, etc. Keep on moving forward into the boat. You have a fold-down seat. Gives you the ability to cruise and have some people seated, but then also fold it up and have plenty of room to fish or do any activities inside the boat. You notice here you have two captain seats, both with thigh-rise bolsters, stainless steel steering wheel, a upgraded GPS multi-function unit that also will give you your engine information. You have trim tabs as well as your Fusion stereo. One thing that's really unique about this boat, you'll notice the frameless windshield, which is a new design for Scout. Trying something out, it looks really sharp on the water. As you continue to move forward, you'll notice you have plenty of room in your bow, but as you get there, you still have room for a head. Moving all the way forward, you'll notice you have speakers here. You also have fold-down armrests. And then finally, a designated anchor locker. Thanks for coming through with us on the tour. You can give us a call, stop by, or visit our website.